Hey there, everyone! I've got some exciting news for you. I've decided to make a schedule for my videos, and I'll be creating them every Friday. But here's the thing, I don't know the exact time yet. I'll be making shorts, but I won't be sticking to a specific schedule. Sometimes I'll make more videos, and other times I'll make less. So if you're interested in keeping up with my content, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss a thing. Thanks for your support, and I can't wait to share my videos with you. Remember to smile.